If you want to know how you can buy cryptocurrencies, watch this short video. I'm going to show you how you can buy cryptocurrencies using Binance, which is an exchange from which you can buy, sell, stake cryptocurrencies. So the reason I'm choosing Binance is because Binance is the most popular exchange right there for buying cryptocurrencies. It has a ton of features, it's more easy, and it has the cheapest fees around there, so it is all around a best option for you to choose. So I have been linking down description down below. From that we can directly get into the Binance application, and so this is how the Binance application would look like. From here, this is the light section of Binance. You need to go to the Binance Pro version. To get to that, you need to go to the leftmost section of the screen, leftmost corner, where you can see the profile section. You need to click on that, and under that you need to toggle the Binance Lite option. So now you'll be in the Binance Pro section. So one thing I need to show you before you're actually proceeding with the buying and selling option, I'll need to show you, like, you'll have to do the verification initially. So in this case I'm already verified. So in your case you should be able to see one option like to verify. Click here in place of verified, as you can see now. Like you can see that verified right now in green. So in your screens, in your devices, it will be something like to verify, click here. So once I click there, I'll be guided to another page where I will have to do one KYC, like give some information regarding me, so that to prove that I am the person who's actually using this application with this profile, with this email ID. So in here, as you can see, you'll be able to you should be providing your personal information, government issued ID card, your voter's ID, passport, and facial recognition, which means you need to provide a photo of yourself with the numbers they want you to write on some paper and send it to them. So this process will take about 5 days tops, depending upon the availability of Binance verifiers on the other end, and after that you'll be able to proceed with the buying and selling in Binance. In this section you can choose an option like P2P. So P2P is the stage or the section from which you can buy or sell cryptocurrencies of your choice. So initially, before that, you need to know one thing. To buy any cryptocurrencies of your choice, you need USDT in your account, in your wallet for this purpose. So what you will have to do, especially if you are in India, you'll have to exchange the rupees for USDT. So to do that, you need to click on this P2P section, and under that there will be an option you need to accept this initially, and after that you will have to go to this USDT tab, and you need to select the option of your choice. So here you can see a lot of options here, like with different rates and different paying options. For the first one, you can see we'll be able to buy using Paytm or bank transfer. I'll be preferring UPI, so I'll just choose the second option, and under this one you need to enter the amount you will be giving them for USDT in return. So for instance, in this section you can see the limit in the top section is like 27,250. So according to that you need to select, like I will show you once more, like in the option here. So there could be options like the required amount, the minimum required amount will be very less. So suppose let's take this one from Navdeep. So the minimum required amount in this case is 2,000, so I can proceed with just 2,000. You'll be able to see the USDT you'll be getting back. So in this case it will be 25 approximately USDT, and you can click on the buy with zero fee option, and you'll be guided to the next page. You can chat with the customer directly, or you can check for the details to verify it if you want to. And in here you can see like it has the option for bank transfer directly or UPI. So you can either chat with this person if you really want to before making a payment, or you can directly click on this make payment section, and you can just click on the option of your choice, and then copy this UPI ID, and you can go to your bank application or your personal application from which you can make use of UPI to transfer funds. And after you transfer funds, you can click on this transferred notify seller option. So after that process is finished, it will take about 5 or 10 minutes maximum depending upon the user and his availability, and your funds will be transferred under this section. You can go to this wallet in the top bottom right section. You can see the wallet. Go to the wallet, there will be an option funding, and inside of this one you will have USDT. So currently I haven't bought any coins, so that's why I'm not able to see something here, but for you, after you make a payment, you'll be able to see USDT here. So suppose if you are to get 25 USDT in return for the money that you paid, you'll be getting that amount here as 25 USDT after the P2P transaction is successful. So once you have here, if you want to buy cryptocurrencies, what you need to do is go to the home section. You can do it in two ways. So in here I'm going to show you how you can buy using the normal P2P section, and after that you can go to the BTC and you can click on buy and repeat the process, but in this time you'll be exchanging USDT, not the rupees, USDT for the BTC that you want to buy. So after you buy that also, it will be available under your spot section in wallet as BTC. Similarly, you can use the same method to buy ETH, XRP or any cryptocurrencies of your choice. It's up to you. The other way you can buy is using convert option. I'll be clicking on convert here, and here you can directly convert the cryptos of your choice to any cryptocurrencies that you want to. So suppose I want to convert from USDT to BTC, I'll be clicking on USDT here, and from to USDT to BTC. So consider I have 25 USDT in my account. I'll be just typing in 25 here, and if you click on preview conversion, you'll be able to see the amount of BTC you'll be getting for the USDT that you are presenting here. So currently I don't have the funds, so that's why I'm not able to do anything here, but this is how you can buy BTC or ETH or any cryptocurrencies of your choice. If you found this video to be useful, like this video, share this video to your friends and family so that they can also understand how to buy cryptocurrencies. And until the next time we meet, bye.